North Carolina's 11th Congressional District encompasses most of western North Carolina. Starting in the 113th Congress, it was last represented by Mark Meadows, a Republican. He replaced Democrat Heath Shuler, who retired in 2013. Shuler had won the seat in the 2006 midterm elections, defeating eight-term Republican Representative Charles H. Taylor. After a court-supervised 2019 redistricting, Meadows announced in December that he will not run for re-election in 2020, and on March 30 he resigned to become White House Chief of Staff. Until 2011, the 11th District had volatile politics and was one of the most competitive congressional districts in North Carolina. It was historically anchored by Asheville, which is heavily Democratic. However, many of the city's suburbs are among the most conservative areas of North Carolina. The rest of the district was split between Democratic-leaning counties in the south and Republican-leaning counties in the north. Consequently, congressional races in this district were historically very close and hard-fought. In 2011, the Republican-controlled legislature redrew the district, shifting most of Asheville to the 10th District, where its Democratic tilt is heavily diluted by the overwhelming Republican inclination of the rest of the district. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.